In this video, we will show how to build a logistic regression using the Stats Models library. As usual, we have imported all the relevant packages. The first thing we need to do is load the data and map all no entries to zeros and all yes entries to ones. We already did that in the previous lesson. We also declared the dependent and independent variables. Time to focus on the regression. As before, we must add a constant. So, x is equal to sm dot add constant of x1. This time, I'll create the regression in two steps. First, I'll declare a regression variable called reglog. Then, I'll define the way to calculate the regression. Instead of OLS, we must use a different method, logit. Logit takes as arguments the dependent variable and the independent variable, same as we had with the OLS. Next, I'll fit the regression. So, let's declare a new variable, results log. Results log equals reglog dot fit. Cool. Let's run the code. What we get is a message. Optimization terminated successfully. This means that we managed to fit the regression. It took 10 iterations and the current function value is some number. This refers to the idea that stats models, as most modern libraries use a machine learning algorithm to fit the regression. The function value shows the value of the objective function. Why would we need that information? Well, there is always the possibility that after a certain number of iterations, the model won't learn. Therefore, it cannot optimize the optimization function. In stats models, the maximum number of iterations is 35. After that, it will stop trying, and you'll get a message like this. In any case, we've created our first logistic regression. Let's take a look at the summary. If your first thought was that it seems identical to the previous one, you'd be correct. That's why we chose Stats Model for this course, because of the wonderful summaries. Let me get a linear regression summary over here so we can compare them. They really are very much alike. Most entries are self-explanatory, like dependent variable, model, data, time, and so on. The others, we will go through them in one of the next lectures. Thanks for watching.